How did I find my first wig that I was going to purchase? The answer is simple yet complicated. So it's simple because I just did so much online research. It's complicated because there's so much wig information out there. So looking it up basically became like a second full-time job. But I was happy to do it because it was interesting to me. It was important to me. And I probably dove maybe a little more into it than I needed to at that time. But now I'm so glad that I did. So there's a huge online market with wigs and lots of different companies that offer lots of different options. And previously you would just walk into a wig shop and there would be a wig professional there to kind of help guide you, and then you would go that direction. But now it doesn't have to be that way. I do still think that there is a huge market for that, and that can be very important for some people. But a lot of us now are just looking online, picking out a wig and having it shipped to our house. So the very first thing I think that when you are looking into wig wearing is find somebody online that you like. And I don't mean just like you like their wig. You like the way that they show up. You like the way that they present themselves in the information that they're providing to you. You also find that you like what is important to them. Some people, hair quality is important. Some people, hairline is important. Some people, longevity is important. There are so many different pieces to a wig that can be a priority. So find that person that you're following or you're watching, that you're taking the time to watch their videos, and getting one that aligns with you is really a huge game changer. Also, when you're looking at different wig companies, make sure you're checking that return policy. The very first wig that I purchased, the videos were awesome, but when I got the wig in person, it was 100% wrong for me. It was a beautiful wig, but not for me. So I made sure that that company had a return policy, and I sent it back, and it was no issues. Then my second wig that I got, it was absolutely stunning, beautiful, loved it. So then having that win helped me to know what I needed to look for in other companies, in my future wigs. So getting that good piece was like a milestone for opening up, okay, I need to be asking, for me, it's always gonna be the hairline. I want fully bleached knots. That's not for everybody, but that's what's important to me. So I'm always looking at companies that have fully bleached knots, so that I have that uber kind of invisible hairline. So finding what's important to you, finding somebody that, online that's showing up in a way that is educating you, making you feel comfortable, confident, talking specifically about brands, making sure the company that you're gonna order from, especially in the beginning, has a return policy. It still remains something that is important to me even now, but in the beginning, there's no way I would have purchased a wig that I wasn't able to return, at least simply. So these are the ways that I got myself started. There are so many Facebook groups, so many, everybody calls them wig sisters. Watching those videos, asking questions, and most likely the creator's gonna respond to that question, or somebody else who is a wig wearer is going to respond to your question, because we really wanna just help and support everybody. Online Facebook groups, there's a ton that are about reselling wigs, and I don't think I would have been comfortable my first wig as a resell, because again, you lose that ability to send it back. But there's so many forums, you can ask so many different questions. So yeah, it can be a bit difficult because you're doing so much research. If there's a term you don't know, this is what I had to do. Google it. What are knots? What do knots mean on a wig? What is a ventilated hairline? What is a pre-plucked hairline? What's important in cap construction? What are ear tabs? So I just dove in, did so much research, and then I now feel extremely confident. I don't have to do nearly as much research, just occasionally to fill in some gaps when somebody says something I don't understand. And I think that that's great. I'm glad that I have all the information at my fingertips. If you have any questions about purchasing a wig or what to look for or good companies, please ask. I think that myself and any other wig sisters that see that would be more than happy to start helping guide you in a direction. It took me about a month to get my first wig to feel confident to purchase that, and I've bought many, many, many since.